welcome. We're gonna open up some 2021 Chronicles Mega Baseball boxes. These are got these from LCS. You know, paid about $45 for them. If you're gonna buy Chronicles, buy these. Do not buy the blasters. You get 5 cards per pack. You get 15 packs a box, and you get an additional 10 card pack. So that's 75, 80 cards and 1 autograph for a little over $40. The blasters are, I think it's 28 cards for $25, something like that. I mean, just terrible, not guaranteed an auto. If you're gonna buy Chronicles and you're not buying hobby and you're buying retail, buy these. I haven't opened them yet. I just know, just looking at the outside, this is going to be the better deal. So we'll get it open and see who's on deck. Alrighty. Yeah, that is a lot of packs. Save the bonus pack for last. Alright. 5 cards per pack. Chris Bryant. Home rookie. Juan Soto silver. Nice. Dalton Jeffers. And a Revolution Ricky Henderson. So, not bad. I love Chronicles because you get all the different Panini stuff. I mean, it's like 20, 25 different brands of cards. Not licensed, but it doesn't matter. In a few years, Topps won't be either. So, let's see, we got Ryan Weathers, Chris Rodriguez, Dalton Varsho. And is this our auto? No. It's just a black Jorge Mateo and a Revolution Evan White rookie. So, and these things have lots of rookie cards. Not licensed, but I don't know. I like it. My favorite of the non-licensed is definitely Optic. I think they always have a good looking product there. Tatis, Yerman Mercedes, Moniak, Pete Rose, and then a Casey Mize Revolution. There's something in this. This is a lot thicker pack right here, so we'll save this one. So we got Story, Christian Pache, Vlad Jr., Yadier Molina, Keibert Ruiz Revolution. I really like these Revolution cards. They look really good. Trevor Rogers, Tristan McKenzie, Carlos Correa, Luis Patino, and Alex Kirilloff Revolution. Very solid. That was 1, 2, 4 of the 5 cards were rookie cards. So, yeah, these aren't high value cards. Buck or two, depending on who all you get, maybe a little more. But I just like seeing all the different looks of the cards. Aaron Judge, India Rookie of the Year, Casey Mize, Devers. There you go. Mickey Mantle. It's crazy seeing him in a product other than Topps. I don't think I've ever opened up and pulled a Mickey Mantle in a product other than Topps. Eloy Jimenez, Bryce Harper, MVP. I disagree, but whatever. He didn't win the World Series. The Braves did. Jazz Chisholm. Now that'd be nice if that were a rookie, but it's not. And then Kohei Arihara. Alright, so we'll go over to this other stack. Like I said, this is a thick one. I mean, look at the thickness in these. I'm going to pinch them both together. See how much thicker this one is? Yeah, there's something's in there. Thick card. Makes me wonder if it's like a Spectra auto or something. Spectra's some pretty thick cards. Sixto Sanchez. Okay, we have a redemption. That is awesome. We got Vlad Jr., Nate Pearson, Alec Bohm, Sixto Sanchez, and let's see what this redemption is. Too bad it's with Panini, so I might get it before I die. Baseball, we knew that. Chronicles, Zenith Autographs, card number 20. Braylon Marquez, he's a rookie pitcher for the Cubs, so that could have definitely been a much better autograph, but you know, we'll take it. And you still got something thick over here, so who knows? Maybe this is a hot box. Maybe it's got a couple of autographs in it, or you know, we got the redemption. Maybe we'll get an autograph or something. Who knows? All right, Rizzo. Tatis, Varsho, Slammin' Sammy Sosa, Manny Machado. Bobby Dahlbeck, Tatis, David Peterson, silver. Braxton Garrett, and Sixto Sanchez. I hope Sixto can come back. I'm a Braves fan. Marlins are in the division, but he's a really good pitcher, so I hope he can come back and stay healthy. He's pitched very well against the Braves when we faced him. Soto, who should have won MVP. Jimenez, Soto, Brady Singer, and Ryan Weathers rookie card. So, we got 3 of these packs left, then the really fat pack. Very curious to see what's in there. Kind of glad we're saving it for last. Anticipation's building. Andrew Vaughn, Ronnie Acuna Jr., Javier Baez, Braylon Marquez. So this is the guy we got the redemption for. Nate Pearson. Joey Votto, Juan Soto, Ronald Acuna Jr., Braxton Garrett, and Trey Turner. I'm so glad Trey Turner is out of the division. He owns the Braves, and now he can go be the NL West problem. We only have to face him 6 or 7 times versus 19. Yadier Molina, Christian Pache, Crusade Silver Bohm, Mickey Moniak, George Springer. Alright. Yeah, gotta open this one first. You know what? We'll save this. We'll do this pack first. This is our bonus pack, which is gonna have 10 purple velocity cards. There won't be any like numbered or autographed stuff in here, I don't believe. Who knows though. Tucupita Marciano, probably butchered that, I apologize. Javi Baez, Mickey Moniak, Ronald Acuna, Carlos Correa, Alec Bohm, Dalton Varsho, Juan Soto, David Peterson, and Tristan McKenzie. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. We got something thick. We got something thick. And go ahead and put this on the bottom, bring everything to the top, leave the surprise for the end. Carlos Correa, Bobby Dahlbeck Gold Standard. That's a good looking card right there. Number? No. Ozzy Albies, Vlad Jr., and Max Scherzer. Oh, what a tease. I've seen people open these. Yeah, I completely forgot about these. These are just a Chronicles America. It's nothing special. It's Max Scherzer, thick card. Alright, so that wraps up the first box. And then I take good care of these cards. I don't want to take the time to sleeve them. I want these videos to get through as as fast as possible. I enjoy talking about cards, but you know, I don't want to take up too much of your time. If you like what you're seeing, like what you're hearing, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this product. Alright, here we go. Mega number 2. So if I have another thick pack, I'm not going to get my hopes up that it's got a hit in it, because we just found out. Alrighty. Wouldn't mind an actual autograph versus a redemption, because like I said, it could be 3 years before I get that card, even if I send it in. Crochet, Ian Anderson, Tanner Huck, Alec Boehm, and Lou Bob, Louis Robert Revolution. It's a good looking card. Keibert Ruiz, Perdomo, Christian Javier, Andres Jimenez, and Luis Campusano for the Padres. Some of these packs just don't open too well. Alec Boehm, that Marcano again, Aaron Judge, that's a good looking Judge, Sam Huff, and Rafael Devers. Yeah, here's a thick card. Oh, we know what it's not going to be. Anything good? Yu Darvish, Pete Rose. Well, at least it's numbered. It is numbered 51 of 99. So that's cool. Scherzer wasn't. Kyle Isbell, Max Scherzer, Speak of the Devil, and Jake Cronenworth. Man, that's a good looking card. So just look at this. You got Revolution, Elite, Panini Crusade, and then Chronicles. And then, I mean, just so far in this box, you got Score, Rookies and Stars. That's just an insert. XR, Pinnacle, Phoenix, Certified, Classics, Timeless Treasures, Titan, Titanium. I mean, just so many products in here. It's just that's why I like Chronicles. I like it football, I like it basketball, I even like it baseball, even though it's not licensed. It is licensed with the others, football and basketball, but not with baseball. Trey Mancini, Andres Jimenez, Aaron Judge, Estevan Florial. Oh, man, I keep hoping that one of these is going to be the auto, because some of these backwards cards are pretty good ones. And Garrett Crochet. Alright. Zach McKinstry. And here's our autograph. Luis Campusano for the Padres. Yeah, at least it's not a pitcher, right? I will sleeve this just because it is an auto card. And the Pete Rose, I'll have to get a thick sleeve for that, because that is a thick card. Tim Anderson, King Griffey Jr., very nice. And Trevor Rogers, really, really good young pitcher. Not excited about having to face him 4 or 5 times a year. But at least he pitches for the Marlins, so they don't have much going for him. Gleyber Torres, Jared Kelenic. Watched my video today posted it this evening. This one I probably won't post till tomorrow. But I opened up some Topps Update and pulled his SP, which is the card lots of people have been trying to get. It's just a comparison of blasters to hangers, which is better. I think hangers are better, although I believe I pulled this from a blaster. So Ronald Acuna, Dane Dunning, and Spencer Howard. So we've got a few packs left. Oh, that's always nice when you see him, because Trout is Trout, and Trout sells. Alex Manoah, Mike Trout. Oh, so we got that Trout, Ian Anderson, Jahami Jones, and then a Revolution Trout. Just look at that. That is a good looking card. That is a good looking card. Somebody who can come back healthy. I mean, when Trout's playing, it's just good for baseball. Nobody can have an issue with Trout. That'd be like having an issue with Derek Jeter. I didn't like the Yankees because they beat my Braves, but never had an issue with Derek Jeter. DJ LeMahieu, Nick Madrigal, Whit Merrifield, Mario Feliciano, and Jacob deGrom. I don't know what's more fragile, that card or deGrom. I don't know, there's something up with the Mets for their starting pitching to always be injured every single year, which is fine with me because that means they're not winning. But, hey, unreal. I don't know what's in the water there in Flushing. Vlad Jr., Tatis Clear Vision. I love the acetate cards. Love those. Whit Merrifield, Zach McKinstry, and Luke Voigt. Pujols, William Contreras, Yu Darvish, Evan White, and Anthony Rizzo, Revolution. So it looks like the Revolution cards are in every pack. I feel like that's the last card of every pack we've opened has been a Revolution. Not complaining because I think they are some of the best looking cards in this product. Aaron Judge, Brent Honeywell, Anthony Rizzo, yeah, that guy, Marcano, and then Jesus Sanchez. Alright, we got 3 of the regular packs left, and then our 1 bonus pack. There we go. Finally on the back, been waiting to see him. Christian Pache, Pete Alonso, Vlad Jr. Oh, look at that, that's a beaut. Jesus Sanchez black, and then look at that Brian Hayes. That's a good looking card right there. Just so flashy. I like how the light just reflects off of it. Man, these packs just don't open too well. Juan Soto should have won MVP. Tatis should have been second. Acuna, Kelenic. I love those gold standards. These might be, the Revolution and the gold standard might be my 2 favorite cards. They just look so clean. I mean, that's a good looking card. Yerman Mercedes. Alright, last base pack here. Alec Boehm, Spencer Howard, Salvador Perez, Nick Neidhart. Oh, well, we got an extra card in here. We got 6 cards in this pack. Logan Gilbert and Eloy Jimenez. So we had a bonus card in our last pack. And then here comes our bonus pack. I guess I got 2 bonus packs here. So these will all be those purple prisms. Christian Pache, Alek Manoah, Andrew Vaughn, Alex Kirilloff, Joey Bart, Mike Trout, Juan Soto, Jared Kelenic, and Casey Mize. So, the only non-rookies, you got rookie, and then the only non-rookies just so happen to be Trout, Soto, and Soto. That is about as good of a pack as you can get right there. So, let me know what you thought of the product. I think Friday, my next video will be Friday. I probably won't upload it till Saturday, but it's going to be a good one. It's going to be opening up 2020 Bowman Retail and a 2021 Bowman Retail. So we'll be looking in the 2020, we'll be looking for Dominguez and Witt and Paulson and Bayron Lora. And then the 2021, we'll be looking for Maximo Acosta, Aaron Sabata, obviously Blaze Jordan, and Austin Martin, guys like that. And then, other prospect cards. So, like I said, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think of Chronicles Baseball, and stay tuned for the next video.